Knitting slippers is quick, easy and quite enjoyable. I'm using size 5 needles and 12 ply 100% wool. Cast on 30 stitches and in your favourite stitch, mine's moss stitch because it gives a fabulous look, knit for 21 centimetres. And then you have 2 rows of reducing stitches. Sew it up, put it on your feet, and you're ready to go. Easy. Cast on 30 stitches. Create a simple loop. There are many methods for casting on. I find this one the easiest and quickest. Knit the first stitch and place the yarn onto the first knitting needle. Go behind that stitch, come around and place it onto the first knitting needle. So now you have 3 stitches. You need to cast on 30 for the slippers. Moss stitch is very easy. It's 1 knit, yarn to the front, purl. And you continue with this pattern all the way to the end. You can see from the previous row that we had a purl, knit, purl. So to do the moss stitch, you need to do the opposite. So this is a purl, so we knit. Knit 1, yarn to the front, purl 1. Once you've completed knitting 21 centimetres, it's time to start on the toe. We do this by decreasing the stitches. Knit 1, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, come from the front and knit them together, and that will decrease the stitches. Knit 1, slip 2 stitches onto your second needle, come from the front and knit them together. And you do this all the way to the end of the row. To sew the slippers together, you need to place the stitches onto a needle. To secure the stitches, go inside the stitches with your needle and yarn, right around. You won't see this because this will be on the inside and you're only going through the middle of those stitches. And this will secure the toe of your slipper. And pull firmly. Make sure that you don't pull too hard because you don't want to break the yarn. And then simply collect the stitches every second stitch and sew the front part of your slipper together. Once you've sewn the desired length, just feed back that wool so that you can actually secure the top of the toe. And now you want to sew up the heel of the slipper. So collect a couple of stitches. Quick and easy slippers to knit, ideal for gifts, donate them to a worthy cause, or keep them for yourself. They are divine, simple, quick, and ideal for the beginner knitter.